We want to clip mask this image into this text. So what we need to do is you bring the image to the top of your layer, then it should be close to your text too. It can be on top of your text. So what you need to do is you now right click on the layer for the image and select create clipping mask. You will observe that the image of Victor Osimhen has now been clip masked into the text. So in a case where you want to clip mask text into the image, what then do you do? What you need to do is you take the write-up, that is the text, to the top of your layer. Once you do that, you rasterize your text by right clicking and selecting rasterize. Then you right click on it and select create clipping mask. So you observe that the image is now acting as boundary for this write-up. So that is how to clip mask text into image or image into text.